Hello everyone. We Jaya and Utmesh here in New Delhi. Uh, there was a plan. We purchased our home here in Delhi. So there was a plan. We were looking like any other person. You can say there is a dream that if you have a home, so you have lot of desire that how to decorate, what interiors and all these things will be there. Everyone wish that if he can or she can somehow beautify it additionally. So we were in the plan that how and where we can get all this solution, consultation, etc. And meanwhile, actually, Jaya was quite excited about that. She was telling me again and again that where we can go, where we can find out all these type of solutions. So yeah, we were in the search, and meanwhile somehow she came up with in contact with Mark and Design people, and we are actually delighted to tell that the way they have approached us, they gave us the advisory consultation. Not only this, apart from that, whatever the project they have, how they have executed, that is marvelous. No doubt the team at Mark and Design, especially the Saurabh ji and Tanushree, they are very cordial with the approach, how they deal with their clients and how they interact with the people, and they basically the plan, how they go with the things. They'll tell you everything, means this is what going to happen, how they'll do the things. There's a clarity in this thing, like how they'll create the whole thing. First they'll tell you the virtually, and after that how my thing is going to come out, and after that the project execution. Since beginning it was very smooth, so we are actually happy the way they have done the thing, and we actually recommend for the people who are looking for solution for this interior designing or any kind of their architectural work. Truly the Mark and Design team has done marvelous work. Big thanks to them. And even we are planning whatever the future extension work that we have, definitely we are going to connect them with again, and thank you so much.
Hi everyone, and myself Jaya, and as my husband has mentioned that we searched a lot for a good interior designer so that we can decorate our living room, and finally we got Mark's Design. And I'm very happy to say that we are so much satisfied with their work, and I will especially mention name of Tanushree, who is a functional architect, who has done a brilliant job. And I also told her that she is very good employee to the Mark's Design, and you can see that this is a product we have got from Mark's Design. So we will recommend Marks and Design for everyone who want their home to be to look beautiful. And I can say one thing that we had requirement that our room should have so many things, but it should not look like messy. So they just took care of that, and we are happy that when we come into this room, it gives us a different you can say different feel. What we can feel that this is our home, and for sure in future we will connect with them for our complete home interior design. And it's very less what we are saying, that because I can say Tanushree has done a lot of effort. We went to the office, we just selected the clothes, everything. It was kind of little time taking, but the product which came out, that was really brilliant, and I'm very happy that we connected with them. And I think that we would not have been got anything better than them. So thank you so much Tanushree, Saurabh sir, everyone from Mark's Design team. And I'll be thankful to Bharati and as well as Parth, who has come to shoot us. And thank you so much.